ये फेब फर्स्ट वीक के करंट अफेयर है। इंटरनेशनल जेब्रा डे कब मनाया गया था? 31 जनवरी को। विच स्टेट रिसेंटली ऑथोराइज अ पायलट प्रोग्राम फॉर कंट्रोल्ड कैनबिस कल्टिवेशन? द आंसर इज हिमाचल प्रदेश। What digital currency was recently launched by BeamTech? The answer is Beamcoin, who is set to become the first Indian astronaut to visit the International Space Station. The answer is Subhanshu Shukla. Where will a specialized industrial park for women entrepreneurs be established? The answer is Odisha. Who was appointed to lead the Judicial Commission investigating the Mahakumbh Stampede? The answer is J. Harsh Kumar. Which country will chair the upcoming BRICS Youth Council Entrepreneurship Working Group meeting? The answer is India. Approximately how many hours did Sunita Williams recently perform a spacewalk? The answer is 62 hours 6 minutes approximately. In which city was the 10th Sci-Fi Film Festival of India recently inaugurated? The answer is Panji. Where was the inaugural Raisina Middle East Conference recently held? The answer is Abu Dhabi. Who has taken over as the new CEO of Sony Group Corp? The answer is Hiroki Totoki. Which city hosted the Bharat Parv 2025 festival? The answer is Delhi. Who recently launched the book Indian Renaissance: The Moody Decade in New Delhi? The answer is Amit Shah. Who recently stepped down as the chief executive officer of the International Cricket Council? The answer is Jeff Allardyce. Which sport figure will receive the Lifetime Achievement Award? The answer is Sachin Tendulkar. When was Indian Coast Guard Day recently celebrated? The answer is 1st February. Which state recently approved the satellite township scheme? The answer is Karnataka. What was the profession of the recently deceased Tapan K. Bose? The answer is film producer. Which country is planning to criminalize begging? The answer is Pakistan. And India में दो सिटी है, भोपाल एंड इंदौर, वहाँ पे भी begging ban है. Which state declared Guneri its first biodiversity heritage site? The answer is Gujarat. G. Okay. Which Indian Air Force pilot was honored for a recent anti-piracy mission in the Arabian Sea? The answer is Akshay Saxena. What percent of tariff were applied to Canada and Mexico? The answer is 25%. How many new Ramsar sites did India recently add? The answer is 4, total 89. Which company recently updated the name of the Gulf of Mexico? The answer is Google Map. Which app has Indian Railway launched for streamlined travel? The answer is Swarel. Which state recently removed reserve status from free forest for land rights? The answer is Assam. Which platform introduced India's inaugural Beta e-rupee wallet? The answer is Cred. Who inaugurated the World Book Fair in New Delhi? The answer is Draupadi Murmu. What was the profession role of the recently deceased Naveen Chawla? The answer is former election commissioner. In which country was a mountain recently given legal personhood? Okay, mountain को भी personhood दे दिया गया है legal. The answer is New Zealand. When was World Wetland Day? The answer is 2 February. Which company developed India's first hydrogen transport pipe? The answer is Tata Steel. Where will the United States establish a migrant detention center? The answer is Cuba. Which nation's space agency recently launched a navigation satellite? The answer is Japan. Which state government plan to introduce anti-conversion bill? The answer is Rajasthan. Which country recently declared tariff against the US? The answer is Mexico. Which organization recommend potassium-rich salt substitute for high blood pressure? The answer is WHO. Which cricketer recently retired from all form of cricket? The answer is Wriddhiman Saha. Which African country became the first to eliminate onchocerciasis? The answer is Niger. Where did the Maghi Ganesh Utsav recently begin? The answer is Maharashtra. I think ये माझी होना चाहिए, माझी गणेश उत्सव ये महाराष्ट्र में होगा. ठीक है. Who won the ICC Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? The answer is India. What medal did India's Tejas Shirshe win at the European Outdoor Championship? The answer is silver. Where did the classical music program Har Kanth Mein Bharat recently commence? The answer is New Delhi. Which country recently reported 1,33,635 cases of respiratory infection? The answer is Romania. Which country decided to end development assistance program for Bangladesh, Albania and Zambia? The answer is Switzerland. National Missing Person Day ये 3 फरवरी को मनाया गया था. Who recently won the prestigious Tata Steel Master 2025 title? The answer is R. Pragnananda. Major General Eyal Zamir was recently appointed as the new Chief of Defence Force of which country? The answer is Israel. Where was the 6th National Masters Athletic Meet recently organized? The answer is Kunnamkulam. The 13th Joint Military Exercise Aquarian recently began between the Indian Army and which country's National Defence Force? The answer is Maldives. Which country's former president Oster Kohler recently passed away? The answer is Germany. Who won the Grammy Award in the Best New Age Ambient or Chant Album category at the 67th Grammy Awards? The answer is Chandrika Tandon. Who was recently appointed as the MD of Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited? The answer is H. Shankar. What was the profession of the recently deceased Barbie Shue? The answer is actress. Where will the White Tiger Breeding Center recently open? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which country recently unveiled 2 missiles, Itemad and Ghadar 380? The answer is Iran. In which country will the 9th Asian Winter Game be organized? The answer is Sri Lanka. Where did the 24th Medlab Middle East exhibition recently begun? The answer is Dubai. Which country will become the first to declare AI tools a crime? The answer is Britain. In January 2025, India's GST collection reached how many lakh crore? The answer is 1.96 lakh crore. World Cancer Day ये 4 फरवरी को होता है. Where will the 38th Suraj Kund International Craft Fair be held? The answer is Faridabad. Which country recently celebrates its National Day on 4th February? The answer is Sri Lanka. In which state did Avda Group and Castle announce the establishment of a 1500 TPD green ammonia plant? The answer is Odisha. Which country recently declared a food security emergency due to rising rice prices? The answer is Philippines. Who recently took oath as a Prime Minister of Belgium? The answer is Bart de Wever. In which state will WhatsApp-based One Mitra provide 161 government services? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Who was recently appointed as an advisor by the Andhra Pradesh government? The answer is R.P. Thakur. Who won his first Allen Border Medal at the 2025 Australian Cricket Award? The answer is Travis Head. Which state government recently formed a 5-member committee to draft the UCC? The answer is Gujarat. In which country's capital will a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj be installed? The answer is Japan. Which country recently imposed tariff on America? The answer is China. FDI in the insurance sector was recently increased from 74% to what percent? The answer is 100%. Which country recently launched the Michibiki 6 satellite? The answer is Japan. Who was recently appointed as the new Inspector General of the Border Security Force for Jammu Frontier? The answer is Shashank Anand. Which country's government recently decided to reduce the working hour of employee in a week? The answer is Spain. Which country recently withdrew from the United States Human Rights Council? The answer is America. Which country has become the second largest mobile phone manufacturer in the world? The answer is India. Who recently topped the ICC T20 batting ranking? The answer is Travis Head. Which country recently topped the global domestic flight weight ranking? The answer is India. Which tennis player recently announced their retirement from professional tennis? The answer is Simona Halep. Where will India's first AI university be established? The answer is Maharashtra. Who was recently appointed as the acting president of GSMA? The answer is Gopal Vittal. Where was the Nilate Center of Excellence for Chip Design recently inaugurated? The answer is Noida. Which country recently amended its mountaineering rules? The answer is Nepal. Which IIT recently launched India's first cancer genome atlas? The answer is IIT Madras. In which location did Aga Khan IV, the spiritual leader of Ismaili Muslim, recently passed away at the age of 88? The answer is Portugal. Which new visa category for foreign citizen was recently launched by the government of India? The answer is Ayush Visa. What was the profession of the recently deceased Pushpalata? The answer is actress. Who was recently awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 in Dogri? The answer is Chaman Arora. According to the recent report, where were the highest number of breast cancer cases reported in India? The answer is Hyderabad. In which country did Russia recently decide to deploy its Oresnik missile system? The answer is Belarus. Which country recently banned transgender athletes in women's sport? The answer is America. Who recently inaugurated the 8th Global Bengal Business Summit? The answer is Mamata Banerjee. Who recently became the first black woman to win the title of Mrs. World 2025? The answer is Sego Gilai. Sego Gilai. To what name the Indian Army recently renamed Fort William, the headquarters of the Eastern Command? The answer is Vijay Fort. Which men's kabaddi team recently won the title in the 38th national game? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Army recently signed an agreement with which IIT to develop bamboo-based bunker at high altitude? The answer is IIT Guwahati. Where did the Indian High Commission recently celebrate Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation (ITEC)? The answer is Sri Lanka. Which state recently became Naxal free? The answer is Karnataka. Where was the 15th international meeting of World Pharmacopoeias recently held? The answer is New Delhi. With whom did FICCI recently partner to promote international urban cooperation? The answer is Expo City, Dubai. What was the profession of the recently deceased Venkat Raman? The answer is newsreader. Who was recently appointed as director in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas? The answer is Sagar Singh Kalsi. दिस इज फेब फर्स्ट वीक फाइनल करंट अफेयर. तो बजट से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. सबसे पहले बजट कवर करते हैं. हु प्रेजेंटेड द यूनियन बजट 2025? द आंसर इज फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारामन. बजट 2025-26 primarily prioritize which sector with a 98,311 crore allocation? The answer is healthcare. What is the new FDI limit in the insurance sector as per budget 2025-26? The answer is 100%. Which mission was announced by Finance Minister Sitaraman in budget 2024-25 to further Make in India? The answer is National Manufacturing Mission Make in India. What is the estimated fiscal deficit for financial year 26 as per budget 2025-26? The answer is 4.4% of the GDP. How much has been allocated for Samudrayan in the Union Budget 2025-26? The answer is 600 crore. What is the additional allocation for residential rooftop solar in budget 2025-26? The answer is 8,900 crore. Which Yojana was announced by Nirmala Sitharaman in budget 2025-26 for farmers? The answer is PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. Where will the new Makhana Board and Food Institute be opened? The answer is Bihar. What did budget 2025-26 boost to improve productivity? The answer is Cotton Mission. What is the raised Kisan credit card limit to boost farmer credit access? The answer is 5 lakh. Which mission was launched by the government in budget 2025 to increase production and farmer income? The answer is Mission for Atmanirbharta in Pulses. What is enhanced in budget 2025-26 for MSME and startups? The answer is Credit Guarantee Cover. Till which year is the Jal Jeevan Mission extended as per the budget? The answer is 2028. How much is allocated for the nuclear energy mission in budget 2025-26? The answer is 20,000 crore. What is the corpus for the Maritime Development Fund in the budget 2025-26? So for the Maritime Development Fund, the answer is 25,000 crore. How many new destinations are to be added under the Udan scheme in the next 10 years? The answer is 120. How will the top 50 tourist destination be developed? The answer is challenge mode. How many new fellowships are under PMRF scheme? The answer is 10,000. How many germplasm lines will the second gene bank set up by the center? The answer is 10 lakh. What new mission for manuscript was announced in budget? The answer is Gyan Bharatam Mission. How much was allocated for research, development and innovation in the budget? The answer is 20,000 crore. Which mission was announced to modernize land record? The answer is National Geospatial Mission. Then National News. Who inaugurated the Sci-Fi Science Film Festival of India? The answer is Pramod Sawant. Which company signed a 1311 crore solar project deal with Coal India? The answer is KPI Green Energy. Which company commit 100 crore for developing India's first drone city? The answer is Garuda Aerospace in Andhra Pradesh. Which ministry released Swarail Super App for testing? The answer is Ministry of Railway. How many new Ramsar sites were added to India's list? The answer is 4, total 89. Where will India host the BRICS Youth Council Entrepreneurship Working Group meeting in March 2025? The answer is New Delhi. Which state will establish the country's first AI university? The answer is Maharashtra. How much penalty did DGCA impose on Air India for regulatory norms violation? The answer is 30 lakh. Which state makes Marathi mandatory for all official communication? The answer is Maharashtra. Which app was introduced by the government for Indian pilgrims? The answer is Haj Suvidha app. Where is India's first white tiger breeding center approved? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Who launches a national level mass outreach campaign Watershed Yatra? The answer is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Which initiative of ECI boost voter enthusiasm in West Delhi? Election Commission of India. The answer is Chandrayaan Se Chunav Tak. Which app is the world second most downloaded app food and drink category? The answer is Zepto. Who inaugurates NSDC International Academy at Greater Noida? The answer is Jayant Chaudhary. Which village in Gujarat was declared as the first biodiversity heritage site? The answer is Guneri. Which country became the first African country to eliminate onchocerciasis? The answer is Niger. Which alliance officially comes into force as a fully functional international legal entity? The answer is International Big Cat Alliance. Which nation becomes the first to outlaw AI tools used to generate child sexual abuse content? The answer is United Kingdom, Britain. Which Sanstha inaugurates South Africa's largest Hindu temple in Johannesburg? The answer is BAPS, बोचा सनवासी अक्षर पुरुषोत्तम स्वामीनारायण संस्था. ये इसका फुल फॉर्म है, आप गूगल कर लेना. Which president signed an executive order withdrawing the US from UNHRC? The answer is Donald Trump. Which country withdraw from the World Health Organization following the USA? The answer is Argentina. Now banking and finance. What scheme does the government unveil to support MSME growth? The answer is New Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme. What is the cap on senior citizen health premium hike annually set by IRDAI? The answer is 10%. Which bank is announced with 6th award for banking technology excellence by IB? The answer is Karnataka Bank. What is India's GDP growth projected for financial year 25? The answer is 6.4%. Which banks partner to expand life insurance access nationwide? The answer is India Post Payment Bank and PNB MetLife. Which insurance plan did Shriram General Insurance unveiled? The answer is Shriram Health Suraksha Insurance. Which bank did RBI impose a monetary penalty on? The answer is Equitas Small Finance Bank Limited. What was the UPI volume in January as per the NPCI data? The answer is 16.99 billion. What was the GST collection in January? The answer is 1.96 lakh crore. Which company completes the acquisition of Home Credit India for 554 crore? The answer is TVS Holding. Which organization secured $50 million commitment from IFC? The answer is Credit Access Grameen. Which company's rupees 330 crore ATM business sale to Findi did RBI approve? The answer is Tata Communication. How much does NABFID raise via 15-year bond? The answer is 5,000 crore at the rate of 7.25% cutoff rate. Which companies partner to launch Smart Investment Pension Plan for early retirement? The answer is PNB, MetLife and Policybazaar. Which company launched AI-powered virtual home loan advisory KAI? The answer is L&T Finance. Which bank partner with Karnataka Bulldozers for CCL 2025? The answer is Airtel Payment Bank. Who is reappointed as Maruti Suzuki's MD and CEO? The answer is Hisashi Takeuchi. Who will head the Judicial Commission on Mahakumbh Stampede? The answer is Justice Harsh Kumar. Who is appointed as a Director General at Bureau of Civil Aviation Security BCAS? The answer is Rajesh Nirwan. Who is sworn in as a Belgium new Prime Minister? The answer is Bart de Wever. Who is named as the acting chair of GSMA board? The answer is Gopal Vittal. Who does Citibank appoint as India's head? The answer is K. Balasubramaniam. Who is awarded Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 in Dogri for his book or Ashwadhama? The answer is Chaman Arora. Who wins Best New Age Album Award at the 67th Grammy? The answer is Chandrika Tandon. Who was awarded honorary doctorate by the University of Sussex? The answer is Noel Tata. What is said to become first Indian astronaut on private space mission to ISS? The answer is Shubhanshu Shukla. Which company launches deep research tool after China's DeepSeek shake AI world? So deep research किसका tool है? OpenAI, that is ChatGPT. Which joint military exercise began between India and Maldives? The answer is Aquarian. Who is appointed as exclusive partner for National Games 2025? The answer is Thomas Cook India. How many members are in the Indian contingent at Asian Winter Games 2025? The answer is 88. Who received BCCI Lifetime Achievement Award? The answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Who wins Tata Steel Chess Master 2025? The answer is R. Pragnananda. Who won the Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup title? The answer is India. Which team won the Men's Hockey India League 2024-25 title? Srachi Raha Bengal Tigers. Which two-time Grand Slams winner announced retirement? The answer is Simona Halep. Who released the book Indian Renaissance, The Modi Decade? The answer is Amit Shah. तो ये था complete first week of Feb 2025 current affair. This is the second week of Feb 2025 current affair. तो बजट से कुछ क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. What is being developed to boost trade in budget 2025? The answer is Export Promotion Mission and Bharat Trade Net. What will serve the credit needs of self-help group according to the budget 2025? The answer is Grameen Credit Score. What is the government proposing to introduce for greater ease of doing business? The answer is Jan Vishwas 2.0. What does the government propose regarding the customs tariff structure? The answer is rationalization. What did Finance Minister Sitharaman accept from custom duty to boost manufacturing? Part of open sale in LCD or LED TVs. National news पे आते हैं. What is the new name of Zomato? Answer is Eternal. What initiative did the Odisha government launch? The answer is multiple initiative to empower girls under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Where did the 38th Suraj Kund International Craft Mela kick off? The answer is Faridabad. What portal did the Maharashtra government launch to make the investment process hassle free? The answer is Maitri 2.0. Who forged a partnership ahead of the 2025 Asia Pacific Cities Summit? The answer is FICCI and Expo City Dubai. Where did the 32 session of the Indian Art History Congress begin? The answer is Noida, UP. For how many years did the cabinet approve the extension of the tenure of the National Commission for Safai Karmacharis? The answer is 3 years. Where will India host the first Waves Summit? The answer is Mumbai. Where did the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurate Asia's biggest Aero India show? The answer is Bangalore. Which state government partner with AIIMS Delhi for maternal and infant mortality rate reduction? The answer is MP government. Which state will host the world's largest Jhumar festival? Answer is Assam. Where did the Peer Panjal Writer Festival begin? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Where did India launch its first indigenous automated biomedical waste treatment plant? The answer is New Delhi. Who signed a pact to enhance cooperation in logistics? The answer is DPIIT and Korean Institute. What did the Indian cricket team urge people to do? Join Donate Organs, Save Lives. Which institute will host the Spice Startup conclave? The answer is Indian Institute of Spices Research. Where will the third Kashi Tamil Sangamam be held and from when? From Feb 15 to 24, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. What sport drink did Reliance Consumer launch and at what price? The answer is Spinner at 10 rupees. Who signed a pact for oil exploration? The answer is ONGC and Bharat Petroleum. What did India introduce to allow export of GI recognized rice variety? The answer is new HS code. Who signed an MOU to advance carbon capture and SAF in India? The answer is Honeywell and AM Green. Where was the second India-France AI policy roundtable held? The answer is on the sideline of the AI Action Summit 2025 in Paris. Who chaired Parliamentary Consultative Committee for Ministry of Home Affairs on cyber security and cyber crime? The answer is Amit Shah. What did the government revise? The answer is Guideline for Market Intervention Scheme. What did THDC India enter into and where did it begin operation? The answer is thermal energy sector and began operation of 660 megawatt unit at Khurja plant. Who did BPCL sign major deal with? The answer is Petrobras and Shipping Corporation of India. Who did Airtel award contract to for expanding 5G wireless broadband access? The answer is Nokia. What is India's global ranking for LEED Green Building certification in 2024 and who topped the list? The answer is India ranked third and China top. Where will the BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 kick off? The answer is Gandhinagar, Gujarat. What did Trump sign an executive order banning? The answer is transgender athletes from women's sports. Which country has the world's most powerful passport of 2025 and where does India rank? The answer is Singapore. India ranked at. What did Trump declare February 9th as and what did he rename? The answer is Gulf of America Day and rename Gulf of Mexico. Where did Dubai host the largest MRO Middle East and AIME 2025 edition? The answer is Dubai. What did FAO launch and where? The answer is $95 million climate resilient agriculture project in Somalia. Where was the 14th Asian Fisheries and Aquaculture Forum held? The answer is Delhi. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index 2024 and which country topped the list? The answer is India ranked 96 out of 180 countries and Denmark top. What is India's spot in Logistic Performance Index? The answer is 22nd. Who leads Asia's 20 richest family? The answer is Mukesh Ambani. Which bank launched exclusive banking package for senior citizens? The answer is IDFC First Bank. What did RBI reduce for the first time in nearly 5 years? The answer is interest rate. What did RBI from to review trading and settlement timing of financial markets? The answer is Working Group. Which bank and Icons launched Amitabh Bachchan's AI avatar? The answer is IDFC First Bank and Icons. What did RBI approve to voluntary urban cooperative bank amalgamation? Who joined hands to offer a product with 100% claim assurance? The answer is Policy Bazaar and HDFC Life. Who got RBI authorization to operate as an online payment aggregator? The answer is EasyBuzz. What was the India's retail inflation in January 2025? The answer is 4.3%. What will Exim Bank provide Vietnam and for what? The answer is $300 million credit for boats and patrol vessels. What did Decentro unveil to align with Cersei's new compliance mandate? The answer is India's first self-hosted CKYC solution. What did Union Mutual Fund launch? The answer is 2 new schemes for structured gold investment. What restriction did RBI lift on Kotak Mahindra Bank? The answer is restriction on onboarding new customers. What did SEBI launch to help investor trace inactive mutual fund folios? The answer is Mitra. What will RBI issue with the signature of new Governor Malhotra? The answer is 50 rupees denomination notes. Who inked a $100 million deal to boost green finance for Indian MSMEs? The answer is SIDBI and AFD Finance. What did Small Finance Bank get RBI note to provide on UPI? The answer is credit lines. Who quit as a chief minister and how long after the Manipur violence began? The answer is Biren Singh, 2 years after. Who did Nokia pick as the new CEO? The answer is Intel's AI and data center leader Justin Hotard, who was elected as a ICAI president for the first term 2025-26. The answer is Charanjot Singh Nanda, who was appointed as a brand ambassador of ICC Championship Trophy 2025. The answer is Shikhar Dhawan. Which film won the NETPAC award at the International Film Festival of Rotterdam? The answer is Tamil film Bad Girl. What award did Indian student win and where? The answer is bronze at Global Based M Government Award 2025 in Dubai. Who developed a semiconductor for space research and other sectors? The answer is IIT Madras and ISRO. Which joint military exercise between India and Egypt began in Rajasthan? The answer is Cyclone 2025. Which joint military exercise did the Indian Army and Indian Air Force conduct? The answer is Winged Rider. What did HAL rename the HJT 36 jet trainer as Yashas. Who did FIFA suspended and why? The answer is Pakistan Football Federation after failure to amend the constitution. Who won bronze in men's rescue archery at the 38th national game? The answer is Tarundeep Rai. Who was suspended from bowling in international cricket? The answer is Amy Megar. Which Real Madrid legend announced retirement from football? The answer is Marcelo. Where did the 9th Asian Winter Game kick off? The answer is Harbin. Who became the second oldest cricketer to make ODI debut for India? The answer is Varun Chakravarti. Which former Sri Lankan captain retired from international cricket? The answer is Dimuth Karunaratne. Who won the Mumbai Open 2025 tennis tournament? The answer is Jill Teichmann. What stake will RIL acquire in the London-based Oval Invincible cricket team? The answer is 49%. Who won the 36th national gold at the Indian Snooker Championship? The answer is Pankaj Advani. Where will Meghalaya host the next edition of the National Games and when? The answer is in February, March 2027. How many gold did India win in the Para Archery Asia Cup 2025? The answer is 6. Who did ICC ban and for how long? The answer is Bangladesh Sholi Akhtar for 5 years. Who was Namibia's first president who recently passed? The answer is Sam Nujoma. ये फरवरी सेकंड वीक के करंट अफेयर है. Where has the 9th Asian Winter Game recently commenced? The answer is China. Following the United States, which nation has now decided to withdraw from WHO? The answer is Argentina. Which country recently imposed sanction on the International Criminal Court? The answer is America. Which company has recently rebranded itself as a Eternal? The answer is Zomato. Who recently became the 5th Indian bowler to achieve 600 wickets in international cricket? The answer is Ravindra Jadeja. Who won the gold medal in the men's 50-meter rifle 3 position event at the 30th national game? The answer is Neeraj Kumar. Which country's football federation was recently suspended by FIFA? The answer is Pakistan. Who has become newly appointed as the head of Citibank India? The answer is K. Balsubramaniam. By what percent has the maternal mortality rate decreased in India recently? The answer is 83%. Which country recently passed strict law to combat hate crimes? The answer is Australia. Which state will develop 60 villages as a tourist destinations under the heritage scheme? The answer is Uttarakhand. By what percent did the RBI recently cut the repo rate? The answer is 0.25%. Which Australian player recently announced their retirement from ODI cricket? The answer is Marcus Stoinis. Where was the NSDC International Academy recently inaugurated? The answer is Greater Noida. Which state government approved the new excise policy for 2025-26? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Where was the Industry Quality Assurance Conference recently organized? The answer is New Delhi. Which country recently withdrew from China's Belt and Road Initiative? The answer is Panama. Where was the Silk Farmers Fair recently organized? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Where did the BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 recently begin? The answer is Gandhinagar, Gujarat. India recently achieved a milestone by producing more than how many gigawatts of solar energy? The answer is 100. Who authored the recently released book Hurt and Heroes Lives That Shaped Us? The answer is Kulbhushan Kumar. Which country recently joined China's Chang'e 8 lunar mission? The answer is Pakistan. Who was recently appointed by Russia as the new head of Roscosmos? The answer is Dmitry Bakhnov. Scientists from which country recently created a kangaroo embryo using IVF technology for the first time? The answer is Australia. Which state recently launched the Sujal project to address drought? The answer is Karnataka. The chief minister of which state recently launched the Kaushal Uday Tongai training program? The answer is Tripura. Which country recently banned DeepSeek AI? The answer is South Korea. National Deworming Day 10th of FECO observe किया गया. The president of which country recently resigned from their post? The answer is Romania. Which state government recently launched the Bikasita Gaon scheme for village development? The answer is Odisha. Where did a 2-day conference on AI recently take place? The answer is Paris. Which country topped the annual ranking of the US Green Building Council recently? The answer is China. Which bank recently launched the digital avatar of Amitabh Bachchan? The answer is IDFC First Bank. India recently organized a joint military exercise Cyclone with which country? The answer is Egypt. Which country recently initiated Operation Devil Hunt? The answer is Bangladesh. Former President Sam Nujoma of which country recently passed away? The answer is Namibia. Who was recently appointed as director in the Ministry of Steel? The answer is Mamoon Alam. Who recently became the second highest six hitter in ODI history? The answer is Rohit Sharma. Who recently inaugurated the Aero India Show 2025 in Bangalore? The answer is Rajnath Singh. Where did the 2025 Freestyle Chess Grand Slam competition recently begin? The answer is Germany. Where was the Indian Naval Chiefs Conference 2025 recently held? The answer is New Delhi. Where will the 3-day International Bird Festival be organized recently? The answer is Prayagraj. International Women and Girls Science Day was observed on 11th Feb. Which joint military exercise was recently conducted by the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force? The answer is Winged Rider. Where did the celebration of Thaipusam 2025 recently begin with great pomp? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Which medal did Pankaj Advani recently win in the Indian Snooker Championship? The answer is gold. Who recently launched the spinner port ring? The answer is Reliance. By when has India recently set a target of becoming free from lymphatic filariasis? The answer is 2027. HAL recently renamed its training aircraft HJT-36 as what? Yashash. Where did India Energy Week 2025 recently begin? The answer is New Delhi. The President of America recently ordered to impose what percent of duty on steel and aluminum imports? The answer is 25%. Who recently awarded the Padma Shri? The answer is Dr. Madhugula Nagfani. The Donate Organs Save Lives initiative is being organized by whom? The answer is ICC. Who recently launched the India's first indigenous automated biomedical waste treatment plant, Srijanam? The answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Researcher from which country recently discovered brain activity related to autism? The answer is Israel. Where will the Olympic e-sport game 2027 be organized? The answer is Riyadh. Where will the upcoming Emergency Arab Summit be organized? The answer is Cairo. The government recently allowed trading of how many new agricultural commodities on eNAM? The answer is 10. Where did the 2025 freestyle chess Grand Slam competition recently begin? The answer is Germany. Which state recently implemented major initiative under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme? The answer is Odisha. Where did the Developed India at the 2047 Path to Progress Niti Aayog conclave takes place? The answer is New Delhi. Which medal did Tarundeep Rai recently win in men's recurve archery at the 38th National Games? The answer is bronze. The tenure of National Safai Karmachari Commission was recently extended by how many years? The answer is 3. The Ministry of External Affairs recently summoned the acting High Commissioner of which country? The answer is Bangladesh. Who recently inaugurated the National IP Moot Court Competition 2025? The answer is Piyush Goyal. When was the 75th anniversary of National Sample Survey recently celebrated? The answer is 7th February. Digital payment recently increased by what percent to reach rupees 18,000 crore? The answer is 44%. World Radio Day observed on 13th February. In which state was the Har Khet Swasth Khet campaign recently launched to promote soil health? The answer is Haryana. Where will the upcoming World Audio Visual and Entertainment Conference Waves 2025 be organized? The answer is Mumbai. ISRO recently developed an indigenous semiconductor chip in collaboration with which IIT? The answer is IIT Madras. The oldest Jurassic bird fossil was recently found in which country? The answer is China. Which Indian was recently appointed as the event ambassador for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? The answer is Shikhar Dhawan. Where was the 5th meeting of the National Traders Welfare Board recently organized? The answer is New Delhi. Prabhakar Karekar recently passed away. What was his profession? The answer is singer. Sohaili Akhtar recently became the first female cricketer from which country to be banned on corporation charges? The answer is Bangladesh. Who was recently honored by Hurun India for fintech innovation? The answer is Dr. Raj P. Narayanam. Which new digital platform was recently launched by SEBI? The answer is Mitra. Which country topped the recently released World Bank's Logistic Performance Index? The answer is Singapore. Konstantin Tassolos was recently elected as the new president of which country? The answer is Greece. The name of the Foy Sagar Lake was recently changed. In which state is this lake located? The answer is Rajasthan. So the Foy Sagar Lake इसका नाम चेंज करके वरुण सागर लेक हो चुका है, ठीक है, और ये राजस्थान का है. तुलसी गाबार्ड वॉज रिसेंटली अपॉइंटेड एज द इंटेलिजेंस चीफ ऑफ विच कंट्री? द आंसर इज अमेरिका. तो ये था कंप्लीट सेकंड वीक ऑफ फेब 2025 करंट अफेयर. तो ये फेब थर्ड वीक के करंट अफेयर है. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन मैंने लिया है, तो कभी कभी इनमें से कुछ क्वेश्चन में एरर आ जाता है, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर से बताना अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में आपको एरर लगे तो, ठीक है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वर्ल्ड कॉन्जेनिटल हार्ट डिफेक्ट डे कब मनाया जाता है? 14 फरवरी. Who topped the medal tally of the recently concluded 38th National Games? The answer is Services Sport Control Board. Where was the Northeast Unity Festival organized recently? The answer is New Delhi. और इसका एक थीम भी था One Voice One Nation. Who recently chaired the 12th All India Pension Code? The answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Which country recently hosted the first global dialogue on social justice? The answer is India. Who recently authored the book titled The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts? The answer is Arun Shore. Where did President Draupadi Murmu who inaugurated the International Women's Conference? The answer is Bengaluru. Which family topped Bloomberg's list of Asia's richest family? Mukesh Ambani family. The answer is Mukesh Ambani family. Who recently became the co-founder of audio story platform Velvet? The answer is Pankaj Tripathi. Who received the most prestigious order of the British Empire? The answer is N.R. Narayan Murthy. Who was recently nominated as the US diplomat for South Asia? The answer is Paul Kapoor. Which country will build a deep water space station in the South China Sea? The answer is China. Lee Bolojan was recently sworn in as the interim president of which country? The answer is Romania. Where will the Adi Mahotsav 2025 be organized? Answer is New Delhi. Which IIT recently developed a conductive fabric that convert electricity and sunlight into the heat? The answer is IIT Guwahati. When was Darwin Day celebrated? The answer is 12th February. Who recently won the Chennai Open 2025 tennis men's single title? The answer is Kriyan Jacket. Where was Asia's first life-size animatronic elephant Ellie unveiled? The answer is Bengaluru. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla recently announced the expansion of translation services in how many languages in Parliament? The answer is 6. Which country will host the next AI summit? The answer is India. Who recently became the first Indian to score 4,000 international runs against England? The answer is Virat Kohli. Where is the 14th Asian Fisheries Aquaculture Forum being organized? Answer is New Delhi. Which state will host the 39th National Game 2027? Answer is Meghalaya. Tom Cruise recently received the prestigious Aeronautics Medal of which country? The answer is France. Who was recently appointed as the chief economist by Canara Bank? The answer is Dr. Madhavan Kutti. International Child Cancer Day. Answer is 15th February. Which state government recently gave permission to kill Nilgai? The answer is Haryana. Where will the World Travel and Tourism Festival 2025 held? The answer is New Delhi. Who led the Indian delegation to the 4th No Money for Terror conference in Munich, Germany? The answer is Nityanand Rai. The president of which country recently called for the formation of an armed force for Europe? The answer is Ukraine. Who recently set an national record in the indoor men's 3000 meter race? The answer is Gulveer Singh. Which IIT recently developed solar dehydration technology for farmers? Answer is IIT Kanpur. According to the recent report, by 2030, by what percentage will India's demand for natural gas increase? The answer is 60%. Which state government recently announced to give 10,000 rupees per month to the victim of acid attack? The answer is Punjab. Shukri Bomagoda recently passed away, was a folk singer. In which state of the northeast India was president's rule recently imposed? The answer is Manipur. Where is the mega global event Bharat Tech 2025 being organized? Answer is New Delhi. Where was an initiative to promote cultural and intellectual relations between Tamil Nadu and Kashi recently started? The answer is Varanasi. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently address the Global Business Summit? Answer is New Delhi. Who topped the list of the highest earning athletes of 2025? The answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. National Almond Day. The answer is celebrated on 16th February. Where has the Dasavatar drama performance recently started? The answer is Maharashtra. Where will the BSF BGB 4-day 55th Director General level border talks begin? The answer is New Delhi. When was the 78th Foundation Day of Delhi Police celebrated? The answer is 16 February. Nepal and which country recently signed MOU for the Hydro Nepal project? Answer is France. Who will replace the Thumbs Up as the co-presenter of IPL 2025? The answer is Campa Cola. Which IIT recently developed an indigenous space ERISI indigenous RIS-5 controller for space applications? The answer is IIT Madras. Who recently launched the Imagine a World with More Women in Science campaign? The answer is UNESCO. Which state government recently signed an MOU with the Swiss Indian Chamber of Commerce? The answer is Karnataka. Who will recently launch the EFTA desk to strengthen trade? Answer is India. Anamudi Shola National Park, which was recently new, is located in which state? Answer is Kerala. Who recently won the Forward Faster Sustainability Award 2025? The answer is NTPC. Where was Ayushman Bharat Vaya Vandana Yojana recently launched? Answer is Puducherry. Adani Green recently withdrew wind power project worth $442 million from which country? The answer is Sri Lanka. Who recently became the first person to complete a half marathon in less than 57 minutes? The answer is Jacob Kiplimo. Global Tourism Resilience Day observed on 17th February. Who was recently appointed as the next Chief Election Commissioner of India? The answer is Ganesh Kumar. Where was 8th Indian Ocean Conference held? Muscat. The answer is Muscat. Which country will buy $200 million Akash missile system from India? The answer is Philippines. Where did the 5th multilateral naval exercise Komodo recently starts? The answer is Indonesia. Joint military exercise Dharma Guardian will be conducted between India and which country? The answer is Japan. The Emir of which country, Sheikh Tamim bin Ahmed Ali Thani, recently came on the official visit to India? The answer is Qatar. Which tennis player has recently suspended for 3 months? The answer is Jannik Sinner. Which state topped the recently released Local Governance Performance Index? The answer is Karnataka. Which country will host the BRICS Summit? The answer is Brazil. Which state recently approved the Industrial Park and Green Energy Policy 2025? The answer is Assam. Pratul Mukhopadhyay, who recently passed away, was a singer. Which AIIMS recently started robotic surgery for advanced patient care? Answer is Delhi. AIIMS Delhi. Where will the flower show be organized? Answer is Noida. Which ministry is organizing the Prime Minister Yoga Award 2025? The answer is Ministry of Ayush. Who will host the Emergency European Summit on Ukraine? The answer is Emmanuel Macron. Who was recently appointed CEO of Standard Chartered in India? The answer is PD Singh. Where did the conference on border coordination between India and Bangladesh recently start? The answer is New Delhi. Where was the statue of famous Tamil poet and philosopher Thiruvallar unveiled in the which country? The answer is Philippines. With whom did Axis Bank recently partner for data privacy compliance? The answer is Privy. Where was the India's first vertical bifacial solar plant recently inaugurated? The answer is New Delhi. India and which country recently signed a memorandum of understanding on a strategic partnership? The answer is Qatar. Which film recently won the award for the best film in the British Academy Film Awards 2025? The answer is Conclave. Which state recently unveiled India's first GCC policy? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. India recently sent the first sea consignment of pomegranates to which country? The answer is Australia. Who recently launched G-Shuffle for the upliftment of 50,000 unprivileged women? The answer is Gujarat. Under the AI for Entrepreneurship initiative recently launched by the government of India, how many lakh youth are targeted to be trained? The answer is 1 lakh. Who recently launched the Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme? The answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Where did the 23rd National Para Athletics Championship recently start? The answer is Chennai. Who recently launched the Naksha pilot program for urban land survey? The answer is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. When was World Social Justice Day celebrated? The answer is 20th February. Who recently took charge as the Election Commissioner of India? The answer is Vivek Joshi. Who recently launched the One Man Office online service? The answer is LIC. Where did the 34th ITTF AWTU Asian Cup recently starts? The answer is China. Where was the Green Shipping Conclave 2025 recently inaugurated? The answer is Mumbai. Which state recently celebrated its 38th Foundation Day on 20th February? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which state government will recently provided an additional of 5 kg rice under the Anna Bhagya? The answer is Karnataka. Which country recently joined OPEC Plus? The answer is Brazil. Who recently became the fastest bowler to take 200 wickets for India? Answer is Mohammad Shami. Who recently appointed as a Deputy Secretary in the Department of Expenditure? The answer is Mrityunjay Srikantan. A budget of 8,08,736 crore was recently presented in the Assembly of which state? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who was recently appointed MD and CEO by SBI Card? The answer is Salila Pandey. India and which country recently signed an MOU to strengthen cooperation in lithium exploration and mining? The answer is Argentina. Where did Prime Minister Modi recently inaugurate the 98th All India Marathi Sahitya Sammelan? The answer is New Delhi. Who was recently elected as the Vice President of International Maritime Navigation Aid Organization? The answer is India. This is third week of February 2025 extra current affair. Which company partnered with UPM to modernize its IT landscape with AI and automation? Answer is TCS. Which agency signed an agreement with Uttarakhand for an integrated horticulture development promotion project? The answer is JICA. Who chaired the 12th All India Pension Adalat? Answer is Jitendra Singh. Which event began in Uttar Pradesh? The answer is Kashi Tamil Sangamam 3.0. Who inaugurated Adi Mahotsav 2025? The answer is President Murmu. Which scheme was launched by the West Bengal government? The answer is Nadi Bandhan scheme. Who inaugurated the 24th Divya Kala Mela at Jammu? The answer is Manoj Sinha. Which subsidiaries of CIL Coal India Limited signed MOUs with Sri Satya Sai Health and Education Trust? The answer is Central Coalfield and Northern Coalfield. What was BSNL's profit in Q3 and when did they last make a profit? The answer is 262 crore profit. पहला profit है since 2007. Who will be the feature on on the new 100 rupees commemorative coin? The answer is Rafi Sahab. What will Delhi's Mohalla clinic will be renamed? The answer is Ayushman Arogya Mandir. How much additional fund did the Kerala government allocate for integrated health scheme? The answer is 300 crore. Which organization signed an MOU for collaborative research and skill development? Answer is HAL and IIIT Dharwad. Until when has the government approved the Pradhan Mantri Annadata Aay Sarakshan Abhiyan scheme? Answer is 2025-26. Which organization joined hands to explore future-ready infrastructure planning with AI-driven digital twin technology? Answer is DOT and ITU. Which authority facilitated the first ever sea shipment of Indian pomegranates to Australia? The answer is APEDA. Who inaugurated the Naksha program for urban land survey? Answer is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Which company signed an MOU with Cochin Shipyard to explore shipbuilding and repair in India? Answer is Marx. Who launched the Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme for MSMEs? The answer is Finance Minister Sitharaman. Which companies signed an agreement for 10 GWh ACC capacity under the PLI scheme? The answer is MHI and Reliance New Energy. How many years has Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana completed? The answer is 9 years. Which companies top Hurun's India's 10 most valuable companies list? Answer is TCS and Reliance. What did the central launch to empower 1 lakh young innovators? Answer is AI program. Where will Pusa Krishi Vigyan Mela 2025 be held? Answer is Delhi. What AI powered platform did Zomato unveil to help businesses scale up? Answer is Nugget. Who opened Delhi Metro's first vertical solar plant? Answer is Manohar Lal Khattar. Which state will be the first in the country to collect and dispose of expired drugs? The answer is Kerala. What amalgamation Competition Commission of India approved? The answer is amalgamation of Chaitanya India, FinCredit and Swatantra Holdings into Swatantra Microfinance. Who inaugurated the 77th session of the Executive Committee of the AARDO in New Delhi? The answer is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Who inaugurated India's first open-air art wall museum at Museum Bhavan in New Delhi? Answer is Jitendra Singh. Which organization signed MOU with Misho, IFCA and Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Rural Industrialization? The answer is TriFed. Which countries forged an agreement for lithium exploration and mining? Answer is India and Argentina. Which country strengthened scientific ties with the CSIR NAST MOU? Answer is India and Nepal. Who will inaugurate the first edition of the Seoul Leadership Conclave? Answer is PM Modi. Where did Google open its new office Ananta? Answer is Bengaluru. Where was the 9th Asia Economic Dialogue organized? Answer is Pune. Where did Misho launch to ramp up influencer driven traffic? Answer is Creator Marketplace. What restrictions did the government remove for free coaching under PM CARES? The answer is caste and income restriction. What did the Union Health Ministry launch to ensure 100% coverage for all individuals? The answer is intensified special NCD screening drive. Which country will host the big summit in July 2025? Answer is Brazil. What is the name of the subsea internet cable introduced by Meta and how long it is? The answer is Project Waterworth, over 50,000 km. According to the CRI, where does India's rank among the countries most affected by climate change from 1993 to 2022? The answer is 6th position among the most affected. What is the name of the Elon Musk AI startup's chatbot? The answer is Grok 3. Which position was India elected to in the International Organization of Aids to Marine Navigation? The answer is Vice President. Where will EAM Jaishankar attend the G20 Foreign Minister meeting? External Affairs Minister. The answer is South Africa. How much equity did the Bank of Baroda get board approval to raise? The answer is up to 8,500 crore. How much did Shriram Finance raise via the SACE ECB loan? The answer is $5 million. What was the wholesale price inflation in January 2025? The answer is 2.31%. Which bank did RBI impose penalties on the regulatory lapses? The answer is Shriram Finance, Nainital Bank and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. What platform did LIC launch under Project DIVE? The answer is Marketing Tech Platform. What plan did IRDA unveiled and where did they review the insurance sector? The answer is Bima Trinity Plan, 9th Bima Manthan. Which services did Indian Overseas Bank launch? The answer is Aadhaar based account opening, API banking services. What did IRDA permit for buying life and health cover? The answer is one-time UPI mandate. What action did SEBI take against foreign venture capital investors? The answer is cancelled registration of 19 investors. Which company partnered with LTI Mindtree to elevate banking operations and IT services? Answer is Eurobank. Which life insurance companies Did Mirai Asset Sher Khan partner with for life insurance distribution? Answer is ICICI Prudential and HDFC Life. What is Moody's Analytics prediction for India's GDP growth rate in 2025? The answer is 6.4%. Who are the new CEOs of Navy Group and who will serve as the executive chairman? The answer is Rajiv Naresh and Abhishek Dwivedi, CEOs, and Sachin Bansal, executive chairman. Who was appointed as the new chief election commissioner? Answer is Ganesh Kumar. Who was appointed as CEO of Standard Chartered India? Answer is PD Singh. Who did SBI Card appoint as a MD and CEO? The answer is Salila Pandey. Who did Wipro name as a managing partner and global head of consulting? The answer is Amit Kumar. Until when did the government extend Chief Economic Advisor Nageshwaran's term? Answer is March 2027. Who was sworn in as the 9th Chief Minister of Delhi? Answer is Rekha Gupta. Which award did NTPC win for water resilience? The answer is Forward Faster Sustainability Award 2025. Which honor was Tata Group's N. Chandrasekaran bestowed with by the UK? Answer is Most Excellent OBE honor. Who was named BBC Sport Women of the Year? Answer is Manu Bhakar. Which companies signed an MOU for a laser warning system? Answer is global defense firm Saab and HAL. Which countries will hold the 6th edition of the joint military exercise Dharma Guardian? The answer is India and Japan. Where did Goa Shipyard showcase indigenous naval vessels? Answer is Navdex 2025. Who was named RCB captain ahead of IPL 2025? Answer is Rajat Patidar. What is the prize money announced by the ICC for the 2025 championship trophy? Answer is 4.5 million US dollar. What event began in 2025? The answer is third session of Women's Premier League. Where did the 38th National Game 2025 conclude? Answer is Uttarakhand. Which Indian broke the 17-year-old national record in the indoor men's 3000 meter? Answer is Gulveer Singh. Who became the first to run a half marathon under 57 minutes? Answer is Uganda's Jacob Kiplimo. Where did the 34th ITTF ATTU Asian Cup table tennis tournament begin? Answer is China. What is the title of the book by Arun Shourie? The answer is The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts. What is the date of Global Tourism Resilience Day? 17th February is the answer. What is the date of World Day of Social Justice and what is the 2025 theme? Answer is 20th February. The theme is Empowering Inclusion, Bridging Gap of Social Justice. Who was the chief priest of the Ram Temple who passed away? Answer is Acharya Satyendra Das. Which veteran Telugu actress passed away? Answer is C. Krishna Veni. So this is the complete current affair of Feb 3rd week. So this is 4th week of Feb 2025 current affair. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है तो कभी कभार एक दो क्वेश्चन में एरर हो जाता है. अगर आपको ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन दिखता है आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करना, मैं उसको पिन कर दूंगा. इंटरनेशनल मदर लैंग्वेज डे recently observed on 21st February. Who recently won the Memory League World Championship 2025? Answer is Vishwa Rajkumar. In which union territory will state honor be given to organ donor for their life-saving contributions? The answer is Puducherry. According to the recent Lancet report, by what percent has the global suicide mortality rate declined in the last 3 decades? Answer is 40%. Until when has the tenure of Chief Economic Advisor V. Anant Nageswaram been extended? The answer is March 2027. Which Indian state has topped the bird count for the 3rd consecutive year? Answer is West Bengal. Which state's forest project was recently awarded the Scotch Award? Answer is Nagaland. Who was recently chosen as the Women of the Year of 2025 by Time Magazine? Answer is Purnima Devi Burman. Who recently inaugurated the first edition of the Seoul Leadership Conclave? Answer is PM Narendra Modi. Who was recently become the director of the American Investigative Agency FBI? The answer is Kas Patel. Which state government recently approved a new land law to protect cultural identity and natural resources? The answer is Uttarakhand. Who recently received the prestigious governor's citation from Massachusetts Governor Maurier Haley? Answer is Nita Ambani. Which country recently became the second to issue digital pilot licenses after China? Answer is India. Where was the 9th Asia Economic Dialogue organized recently? Answer is Pune. Who topped the list of the world's richest women recently? Answer is Alice Walton. When was World Thinking Day recently observed? Answer is 22nd February. Who has recently been appointed as the Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Modi? The answer is Shaktikanta Das. Prime Minister Modi will attend the National Day celebrations of which country as the chief guest? The answer is Mauritius. Who recently became the second fastest player to score 11,000 ODI runs? Answer is Rohit Sharma. The central government has decided to include basic life-saving training in the curriculum from which class? Answer is 9. In which state has the maximum number of vultures been found recently? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which state government recently presented a budget of 3,70,000 crore? Answer is Gujarat. Who recently won the 40th Asian Championship title? Answer is Pankaj Advani. Milind Raj recently passed away, was a cricketer. The book Life on Mars Collected Stories written by whom was recently released? Answer is Namita Gokhale. Which state government recently launched an AI-powered eye screening initiative called Nayan Amritam 2.0? The answer is Kerala. Where did 139 artists recently create a world record by dancing continuously for 24 hours? The answer is Khajuraho. Which country recently took over the chairmanship of BOBPIGO? आंसर इज इंडिया. इसका फुल फॉर्म आप गूगल कर लेना. वेयर डिड द पूसा कृषि विज्ञान मेला 2025 रिसेंटली स्टार्ट? आंसर इज न्यू दिल्ली. वेयर विल द इंटरनेशनल आर्ट एग्जीबिशन बी हेल्ड? आंसर इज हैदराबाद. व्हेन वाज वर्ल्ड पीस एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग डे रिसेंटली सेलिब्रेटेड? द आंसर इज 23rd February. Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi recently went on a 4-day official visit to which country? The answer is France. Moody's has estimated India's GDP growth rate to be what percentage in the financial year 2025? The answer is 6.4%. Which app has RBI recently launched to provide access to economic and financial data? The answer is RBI Data. RBI recently imposed a monetary fine of rupees 39 lakh on which bank? The answer is Citibank. The first green budget has been presented in which state? Answer is Rajasthan. Which country recently discovered a new bad coronavirus named HKUS-CoV-2? The answer is China. Mount Dukono volcano which erupted recently is located in which country? Answer is Indonesia. According to the recent report, India's electricity demand is estimated to grow at what percentage by 2027? The answer is 6.3%. Where has STPI recently launched a new IT incubation facility? The answer is Kolkata. Which country's parliament recently approved an $8 billion rail link with China? The answer is Vietnam. The tenure of Niti Aayog CEO BVR Subramaniam has been extended by how many years? Answer is 1 year. India will train 1,500 civil officers of which country in the next 5 years? The answer is Sri Lanka. Which IIT recently hosted Asia's first global Hyperloop competition? The answer is IIT Madras. Which ministry recently classified barite, feldspar, mica and quartz as major minerals? The answer is Ministry of Mines. Central Excise Day observed on 24th February. Which country ranked first in the world in raising the most funds through IPO in 2024? The answer is India. From where was the 19th installment of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi recently released? The answer is Bihar. Who recently made the world record of the scoring the fastest 14,000 runs in ODI international cricket? The answer is Virat Kohli. Financial Literacy Week was recently launched by whom? The answer is RBI. In which state was the Jhumor Veena Nandini program organized recently? The answer is Assam. Mayadhar Rao, who recently passed away, was a dancer. According to the recent Global Firepower Ranking 2025, who is at the top in the term of defense budget? The answer is America. Where is Global Investor Summit 2025 being organized in Madhya Pradesh recently? The answer is Bhopal. Where was the first conference of women peacekeepers organized recently? The answer is New Delhi. Which airport recently won the prestigious Best Security Award? The answer is Mopa Airport. Which state government recently launched the Witness Protection Scheme? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which country recently declared 25th February as a military martyrdom day? The answer is Bangladesh. Who recently received the title of honorary knighthood from Britain? The answer is Rajiv Kumar. Who recently appointed as the deputy director of FBI? Answer is Mike Walt. Which passport has been declared the most expensive in the world recently? The answer is Mexico. Which country recently launched the Green Transition Alliance India (GTAI)? Answer is Denmark. Which state government recently recognized Pathism in official document? Answer is Assam. India and which country recently established a new border hotline? Answer is Bangladesh. The Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited recently signed an agreement with which state government for a solar project? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Where was the 2-day coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach recently organized? Answer is West Bengal. Which country successfully launched the China Sat-10R satellite recently? Answer is China. According to the recent released report, which country is at the top in the global breast cancer rate? Answer is New Zealand. Where was the first international conference on carbon markets Prakriti organized recently? Answer is New Delhi. Where will the 12th Regional 3R and Circular Economy Forum be organized recently? Answer is Jaipur. Which IIT recently developed the AI tool AMR Sense for antibiotic resistant tracking? Answer is IIT Delhi. Which city recently became India's cleanest city for the 7th time? Answer is Indore. Who recently won the Maharashtra Open Tennis men's single title? The answer is Dalibor Tversina. Who was recently appointed as director of the Institute of Economic Development? The answer is Sabyasachi Kar. Who was recently awarded the CEO of the Year Award? Answer is Samir Kanodia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Jhumar Binandini at which stadium in Assam? The answer is Saruswajai Stadium. Punjab National Bank signed an MOU with which force? The answer is Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Who was elected as the Speaker of the Delhi Assembly? The answer is Vijendra Gupta. Pankaj Advani defeated whom in the final to win the men's title at the Asian Snooker Championship? The answer is Amir Sarkosh. Indian Olympic Association appointed as an ad hoc committee of how many members of administrative functions of Boxing Federation of India? Answer is 5. Who was appointed by Donald Trump as the Deputy Director General of FBI under Kash Patel? The answer is Dan Bongino. Which is the second lunar mission of Texas-based Intuitive Machines? Answer is Athena. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation comes under which ministry? The answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. As per the approved draft norms, from which year the Central Board of Secondary Education will start conducting class 10th board examination twice a year? Answer is 2026. Which country has recently published a map defining its baseline claim in the Gulf of Tonkin, marking 14 points from Quang Nha Province, Quang Tri Province? Answer is Vietnam. World NGO Day celebrated on 27th February. Which bank recently launched the 9th Evolve edition? Answer is Axis Bank. Which state government has recently launched an accident insurance scheme for school children? Answer is Rajasthan. Where will the ISSF Shotgun World Cup be held recently? The answer is Cyprus. In which state Nyokam Yulo Utsav celebrated recently? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the president of Ratan Tata Endowment Foundation recently? The answer is N. Chandrasekharan. Which state has recently made teaching Punjabi compulsory in all schools? Answer is Punjab. Recently, DPIIT has signed an agreement with whom to promote India's startup ecosystem? The answer is Paytm. Who has recently chaired 112th meeting of the EPFO Executive Committee? The answer is Sumita Davra. Recently, the Union Civil Aviation Minister has inaugurated Udan Yatri Cafe at which airport? Answer is Chennai Airport. Who has recently taken over as Director Planning and Business Development on the Indian Oil Corporation Board? Answer is Suman Kumar. Where has the International Radiobiology Conference on the Space Radiation started recently? Answer is New Delhi. Gene Hackman has recently passed away. Who was the actor? Which country has recently won the 2025 Badminton Asia Mixed Championship? Answer is Indonesia. Where did Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal recently inaugurated the India Calling Conference 2025? Answer is Mumbai. This is Feb last week, that is 4th week of Current Affair 2025. What did an Indian student win by recalling 80 digits in 13.50 seconds? Answer is Memory Championship. At which country's National Day celebrations will PM Modi be the guest of honor? Answer is Mauritius. Which companies are partnering for a smart energy transition? The answer is Tata Power and Amazon Web Services. Where did PM Modi release the 19th installment of the PM Kisan scheme? Answer is Bihar. Which Indian state is set to host the Miss World pageant in May 2025? Telangana. Answer is Telangana. Which city become Madhya Pradesh 8th public airport? Answer is Datia. RailTel secured a contract to implement which anti-collision system and how much is the contract worth? Answer is Kavach anti-collision system, rupees 288 crore. Which companies signed an MOU to revive water bodies at heritage sites across India? Answer is Bisleri and Archaeological Survey of India. Where is India poised to host the 12th Regional 3R and Circular Economy Forum in Asia and the Pacific? Answer is Jaipur. Where did PM Modi inaugurate the Advantage Assam 2.0 Investment and Infrastructure Summit 2025? Assam. The answer is Assam. What did CBDT introduce to provide instant answer to IT Bill 2025? Answer is Self-Help Tool. SCCI signed an MOU with which state government for a 200 megawatt solar project at Dhar? The answer is Government of Madhya Pradesh. Which organizations signed an MOU to facilitate skill enhancement of tribal artisans and support their business? Answer is Trifed and Rooftop. What initiative on government e-marketplace celebrated 6 years of transformative impact? Answer is Swayth. Which state launched a witness protection scheme? The answer is Haryana. What event drew a record crowd for its second edition? The answer is India in Bahrain Festival. What first ever conference is India set to host? First ever conference on women peacekeepers. What project did SCCI inked an MOU with the MP government for 200 megawatt solar project and 1000 MWh base project? What was the name of the first international conference on carbon market inaugurated in New Delhi? The answer is Carbon Market Prakriti. Where was the 51st Khajuraho Dance Festival 2025 held? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Where was India's first wildlife biobank inaugurated? The answer is Darjeeling Zoo. Which company partnered to support fintech startup with mentorship and funding? Answer is Paytm and DPIIT. The operative Kisan Credit Card amount crossed 10 lakh crore, benefiting how many farmers? The answer is 7.72 crore farmers. Which state government made Punjabi compulsory in all Punjabi schools? The answer is Punjab government. Who unveiled One Nation One Port to enhance efficiency with ease of doing business? The answer is Sarbananda Sonowal. Who released the first edition of MOD's biannual Hindi magazine Kashak Bharat? The answer is Rajnath Singh. Which organizations signed an MOU to skill youth in the BFSI sector at the Advantage Assam 2.0 Summit? The answer is NSE and Assam government. Who inaugurated Udan Yatri Cafe at Chennai Airport? The answer is Ram Mohan. Which state launched accidental insurance scheme for school children? The answer is Rajasthan. Which celebration in Arunachal Pradesh did Vice President Dhankar attended? The answer is Nyokyum Yulo. What quantum chip did Microsoft unveil? The answer is Moderna 1. What power Microsoft Moderna 1 chip a new state of matter? Which forum did Brazil join? The answer is OPEC Plus Forum. What is the purpose of Brazil joining the OPEC Plus Forum? To balance oil production and energy transition goal. Which countries agree to launch a new hotline and what kind of forces are involved? The answer is India and Bangladesh border forces. What system did the UAE launch? The answer is 10-year blue residency visa system. Which entity did RBI impose penalty on? The answer is Citibank, Ashirwad Microfinance, JM Green Home Loan. What app did NSDL and CDSL launch? The answer is Unified Investor app. How much will MobiKwik acquire in Blostem and for how much? The answer is 3.39% stake for rupees 1.49 crore. Who will head the panel to implement the amendment to insurance law? Answer is Dinesh Khara. What is the focus of RBI's Financial Literacy Week 2025? The answer is Women Prosperity. How much penalty did SEBI slap on Axis Security and why? The answer is 10 lakh for violating stock rules. Which bank partner with PGTI as its official banking partner? The answer is IndusInd Bank. How much penalty did SEBI impose on Indian Clearing Corporation? Answer is rupees 5.05 crore. How much money did RBI allow to withdraw per depositor of New India Cooperative Bank? The answer is 25,000. Which bank launched SIB Quick PL, a fully digital personal loan platform? The answer is South Indian Bank. How many new branches did Muthoot Finance get RBI approval to open? The answer is 115 branches. Which companies partner to enhance financial literacy with AI? The answer is Paytm and Perplexity AI. Who was appointed Principal Secretary to Prime Minister? The answer is Shaktikant Das. Who was appointed new MD and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Prime? The answer is Shahrukh Todiwala. Whose tenure as Niti Aayog CEO was extended? The answer is Subramaniam. Whose tenure as DGCI was extended? The answer is Rajiv Singh Raghuvanshi. Who was sworn in as 9th FBI Director? The answer is Kash Patel. Who will step down as Unilever CEO? The answer is Hen Schumacher. Who will head the Ratan Tata Endowment Foundation? Answer is N. Chandrasekaran. Who was recently appointed as the new SEBI chairman? The answer is Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who received the honorary knighthood by British High Commission? The answer is Sunil Bharti Mittal. How many medals did Rajnath Singh confer on Indian Coast Guard personnel? Answer is 32 medal. Which airport won the Sarvashrestha Suraksha Puruskar? The answer is Mopa Airport. What next gen AI model did Microsoft introduce? The answer is Muse. What new AI model for controlling software and robots did Microsoft unveil? The answer is Magma. Which organization partner to boost aerospace R&D? Answer is HAL and D8. The Ministry of Defense inked a contract worth how much with Bharat Electronics Limited? The answer is 1220.12 crore. What did the Defense Ministry Forum form to to speed up Tejas jet deliveries? The answer is high level panel. Who successfully tested the NASM SR missile in Chandipur? The answer is DRDO and Indian Navy. Who joined the elite list of bowler with 200 ODI wickets? The answer is Mohammad Shami. Who became the second fastest to 11,000 ODI runs? The answer is Rohit Sharma. Who became the fastest to 14,000 ODI runs? The answer is Virat Kohli. Who was the first Indian to break 13-minute barrier in men's 5,000 indoor race? The answer is Gulveer Singh. Who won the Pune ATP Challenger 100 double title? The answer is Jeevan Nedunchezhian and Vijay Sundar Prashant. What position did Indian women football team finish in the second Pink Ladies Cup 2025? Answer is third position. What is celebrated on 23rd February? The answer is World Peace and Understanding Day. What is celebrated on 24th Feb? The answer is Central Excise Day. What is celebrated on 28th Feb and what is theme? National Science Day. The theme was Empowering Indian Youth for Global Leadership in Science and Innovation for Viksit Bharat. Who was the Odissi dancer that passed away at 92? The answer is Mayadhar Rao.